This is why you need to know these parrot facts. By the end, you'll be talking like a parrot too. First up, did you know that parrots can live up to 80 years? That's longer than some of our grandparents. Number two, these colorful chatterboxes have the intelligence of a 5-year-old. So next time they outsmart you, don't be too surprised. Fact three, some parrots can mimic over 1,500 words. Who needs a dictionary when you've got a parrot? On to number four, parrots have zygodactyl feet. That's just a fancy way of saying they can climb like Spider-Man. And finally, fact five, the African grey parrot is considered the most skilled talking bird. These guys can understand context, not just mimic. Mind blown yet? If you love these facts, give us a squawk in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more feathered fun. Catch you later, bird brains.